Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change language on hotels.com. So if you also want to change language on hotels.com, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open hotels.com application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, hotels.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. From this interface, you'll be able to search for the hotels according to the destination. You'll be able to find amazing deals on hotels over here. So if you want to change the language, all you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, search, trips, inbox, and account. In order to change the language, all you have to do is tap on the account option that you can see right over here. You can change the language whether you're signed into your account or not. So you can sign into your account if you want. If you do not want, you can also proceed without signing in. So in order to change the language, all you have to do is tap on the settings option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. From here, you'll be able to access app settings. You'll be able to find the option for region, language, currency, and display appearance. All you have to do is tap on the language option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see the languages over here. Right now, 2 languages are being shown. Simply tap on the language to which you want to change. After that, tap on the done option that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is wait for a while. Hotels.com application will load again. Now you can see over here the language has been changed. So that is how you change language on hotels.com application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.